Hey people, I came across this breakfast set online and totally forgot I had ordered it. Anyway, I personally haven't seen a review of this set, so I thought I'd open it up on camera. The pink kitchen cabinets remind me of those off-brand kitchen playsets, you know the ones? I have one of these kitchens also. I suppose I could cover these holes in the tabletop with a circular cutout. The furniture is simple and lightweight, but I like how versatile it is, especially if repainted. And it doesn't take up much space. The print quality on the food items is not the best. Oops, I forgot to flip the orange jar to the honey side. I assume the furniture and accessories were reused from previous sets or dollhouses, but it's a nice combination of items. It's also reasonably priced, so overall I'm happy with the purchase.